Guys, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to clip your text. Okay, clipping of text, all right, on designs. Maybe like birthday design, right? If you maybe want to design birthday poster, you can actually come up with something nice like this. Okay, so watch out how we're going to get this done. All right, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Instagram Post Square. So click on it, and then that will lead us to the next part of this training. So watch out. Take your time, don't rush. Now they're going to give you template, but we're not using template. I'm starting from the scratch. So click on create blank. Now when it comes up, they're still going to show you some templates. We're not using them, all right? So go to the gallery part and pick a picture that I want to use, all right? Click on gallery and then go through your photos as they load up, all right? So let's assume we are using this photo, right? Pick up, just tap it like that and then click on add to page. So you're going to come up here, right? Now it has background. Now if you are not using Canva Pro, that's why I dropped Canva Pro theme for just now. If you are using Canva Pro right now, click on effects and then click on remove background. All right, so the background is gone. So I'm going to just make it big a bit. Okay, so what do we do? The background is gone, right? So just arrange it properly. Okay, just keep it somewhere like this. And I'm going to come to this plus icon, click on it and go to text. Click on text and then click on add a heading. So what I'm going to do is for educational purpose, I'm going to write happy birthday. All right. Okay, that is happy birthday. Now what I'm going to do is to make it a bit big, go to fonts and I'll change this one now to Anton. I'm going to use Anton. I like using Anton, right? Especially for this particular design, right? So that's Anton fonts. So having done that, okay, tap. If you tap it, you're going to see pink background right around it. Come to spacing. Come to spacing. This spacing, right? Click on spacing and then line spacing. It reduces a bit, all right? Let them, yeah, something like that. And then what you do is again, while it is still active, come over to B format. Go to format and then click on anyone you like. I can use this. Okay, that is cool because if I rotate it now, if I rotate it 90 degrees, all right, this is what I'm going to get, right? Okay, so I'm going to place it somewhere here like this. Okay, now I can decide to also use this. I can use this. I think that's okay. This one is okay, right? All right, so the next thing, hello guys, that's what we're going to do now is to duplicate this page, right? So come here, click on this. All right, and then it has been duplicated. Just click on duplicate. So what we do, duplicate, right? So then tap it twice and then you're going to come up like this. All right, then remove the click on the photo and remove the photo. All right, remove the photo, then click on the text, then click on color. Come over here, click on color, right? And then turn the color of the text to white. You see that, right? Then when you do that, come to your plus sign, go to element, and then pick a shape like this. Just pick any shape. So what you do is this shape that you got, right? Turn it to like any color of your choice. But let me use something like yellow. All right, then I'll spread it across the text. I'll spread across the text like this. And then I'm going to come over to position. Come to position like this. And then turn it toward backward. You can see that, right? So the text is going to pop up like this. See that, right? Okay, something like this. Having arranged it properly like this, okay, what you now do is to come over here, click on download. Then go to download. Select the page that you want to download. We are downloading page 2. So come over here, click here, and then pick only page 2. Remove page 1, and then click done. So when you come over here, download the page 2. All right, then download it. All right, so it's downloaded, right? So what we're going to do, click another page again, create another page, create an empty page, tap it twice, and then come over to your plus icon, go to your gallery, and upload the image we just downloaded, right? Allow it to come up. Click on images, and then it's going to pop up here. All right, that is it. Add to page. Add it to page. All right, then arrange it properly. Make sure it fits in here. All right, so what you do now is click on the background. What you do, okay, just reduce this one a bit and make sure it fits in place. Okay, don't let it move out of position. You can see the pink line, right, surrounding it. It doesn't go out of the square, that shape that we're using, right? So click on the background, turn the background to black. All right, turn the background to black, and then click on the text. All right, then go to effect and remove the background of the text. Okay, so the background is gone, right? So now that the background is gone, come over here, click here, come over here, go to page 1, go to page 1, tap it, okay, and then tap the photo, right? And then what you do is click on these 3 dots up here, all right, and then you go to see copy, right? Click on copy, all right, you have copied it. So what you do again, come over here, click outside, and then click here again. All right, then come to page 3, tap it twice, bring it up, and then when you have done that, just press your hand on it. You're going to see here paste. When you press it, then you're going to see paste coming up. Just click on paste. All right, so the photo will be there. Now come to position. Come to position here, and then turn it backward. All right. So the next you're going to do is to tap. Okay, what to do? Just tap this. All right, place it properly. All right, you can place it like this on top of the image or the photo. All right, okay, remember don't touch the image. Okay, don't let it move away from position from where it came from. It came from page 1, right? So the photo should not be moved around. Okay, so make sure this right top should be on top of it like this. Okay, you can do something of this nature. All right, so having done that, if you can decide to turn this to go get a shape. Go to element and pick up a shape. All right, let me show. Okay, pick up a shape like this, and then what you do is, of course, we can see the shape. Make sure that it's in yellow color, and then use to cover the black areas. Okay, you can see that, right? Copy it again. You kind of duplicate, and then cover here again also. Make sure there is no black showing in any part of the photo. You can see that, right? Wonderful. So having done this, you go over here and then download it again as PNG. This is page 3. Select the page, remove 1, 2, okay, and left it's only 3. All right, only page 3 left. Click on done, and then what you do is download it again as page 3, and then go back, all right, and upload it to page 1. Is that okay? All right, so guys, before you download it, all right, make sure you add glow to it. Okay, tap the text like this. All right, come to effect. Come to effect, and then you're going to see click on effect like this down here, and then you're going to see shadow. Come to shadow and click on what? Glow. All right, click on glow like this. Is that clear? Before you download it, is that clear? All right, now that's how you're going to download it. So after download it, come over here, come to page 1, go back to page 1 and bring it up, right? And then remove this one now, remove the text that was there before, and then upload the one that you just downloaded. Okay, go to image gallery, rather go to gallery, and then upload the last one you just downloaded. All right, this one. Okay, bring it up. All right, that is it. Okay, so you just make sure you place it properly. Place it properly. All right, now you can decide to shift it to wherever you want to shift it. All right, okay, something like this, right? And then what you do is click on effect and remove background. So after you remove background, okay, it's left for you now to arrange it properly, okay, the way you want it to be. All right, you can make it halfway, right? Something like this. Okay, make sure it's in the right position. All right, something like that, right? So when you have done that, you click on the image, right, and then drag to the left. Okay, you can see what I did, right? You see what I did? You click on the image and drag just crop it to the left like this. All right, crop it to the left like this, and then what you can do is tap the image, all right, and then adjust it. Okay, this is the part that you really need to work very well. All right, you just have to look for it to adjust it properly. Okay, I think something like this. All right, okay, so what to do, tap it again, tap the text now, go to effect, and then click on effect here and click on shadow. On shadow, look for drop, click on drop. All right, very good, and then click on drop again please and adjust it. Let's go back to effect, click on shadow, click on drop, and then tap it again and adjust the angle where you want it to go. Right, you can see you have to arrange it properly, all right, the way you want it to be. Is that clear? So guys, that is it. All right, this is how to actually design something of this, but I still gonna adjust it, okay, until the image I have here should correspond with the text that I came up with. All right, make sure they correspond before you let it go. Is that okay? God bless you guys. Okay, this is the end of it. Okay, I'm going to show you the final results.